There are many details involved in running a successful drop shipping business. They can be summarized into two key principles. Things may get messy, except that, sometimes, the involved third party can complicate things. Adopt a KISS mentality. KISS stands for Keep It Simple, Stupid. Go for the easy-to-implement solutions even though they may not be perfect. Suppliers will make mistakes, even the best ones. This is what you do when one messes up. Own the mistake, do not blame anyone. Apologize and promise to fix it. Make it up to the customer, do something to fix the error. You can refund the shipping fee or offer an upgrade. Make your supplier pay, you need to own the mistake but not necessarily pay for it. The supplier may not pay for the freebies, but he or she should pay for other accrued expenses. One of the biggest challenges for dropshippers is managing the inventory. The practices below will help you have less out-of-stock items. Have multiple suppliers. When the first supplier does not have a certain item, the second one will probably have it. Choose products wisely, sell items that are sold by the two suppliers. You will have two options of fulfillment. Utilize generics. When two suppliers carry different but identical items, make your product description generic and list both model numbers. Check the item availability, be in constant communication with the sales representative to know what is available. Out-of-stock orders. Even if you plan perfectly, at one time you will be unable to fulfill an order. Try offering a complimentary upgrade like the product instead of just telling the customer that it is out of order. Route order to the preferred supplier, have a favorite supplier and have all orders go to him by default. Route based on location, always route the customer's order to the supplier nearest to them. Route based on availability, this can be a hectic option but there are services such as Ecom Hub. Route based on price, this is easier in theory than in practice. Credit card numbers, storing the credit card data of your customers is convenient but it is risky. Just avoid it. Fraudulent orders, be cautious and use common sense to avoid this pitfall. Address verification system, the AVS prevents thieves from making successful purchases. Be alert when you notice the following. Different shipping and billing. Different names. Strange email address. Expedited shipping. Understanding cashbacks. When you get a cashback, act quickly. Present all documents that are required to prove the order was fulfilled. You may lose the case if the billing and shipping addresses are different. Check your supplier's return policies before you write your own. Also, consider things that can complicate the process such as restocking fees, and defective items. Shipping issues. You can use any of these three forms of shipping rates. Real-time rates. Per type rates. Flat rate shipping. Customer support. An Excel spreadsheet will not be of much help here. Try these options. Help Scout. Zendesk. Desk. Kayako. For phone support, try Grasshopper. RingCentral. Please subscribe to Financier Pro YouTube channel.